Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasser, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can check for reviews of any application on your Android phone and to know whether the reviewer is reviewing that application from the same model that you're having. So we all use a lot of Android applications. For example, if I open this thing, now for example, this is an application which is kind of a video downloader available on the Play Store. What happens over here that if you go down, you can see a lot of reviews of this application. These are the ratings and reviews. Now, if you want to see the review of the person who is, reviewing this application from the same phone, for that I will go to ratings and reviews. I will go to most relevant, and here you can see the option where you can select this device model to only filter out the reviews which have been made by using the same device that you are using. So if you click on apply, now as you can see, these are the reviewers who have reviewed this application from the same model that you are using. Another thing that if you want to see the latest version or maybe the recent reviews, you can select over here and you click on this one. You can see that this person has reviewed it recently, 16th of February 2024, from the same device that I am using. So this is one of the simplest tricks you can do in order to see the reviews for an application if you want to check whether the application is better to download or not. So that's about it, and thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.